Hello everyone, this is your English teacher Aya Raja. In our lesson today, we will continue the story, The Secret of the Egyptian Cat. Okay? But before we will start, we will memorize the story. At the beginning of the story, we read that Mr. Benson took the children to his museum and he showed them all the things in the museum. Okay? Then we read that Mr. Benson loved the statue of the gold cat more than other objects. Okay? After that, we read that Mr. Benson and his wife went to a party. Then, in their way, a cat ran across the street, and Mr. Benson stopped the car quickly. So, let's continue the story. Are you ready to listen? Okay.
At that moment, his wife said, "Look, there's a window open at the museum." "That's strange. I must go and close it," said Mr. Benson. They went home quickly. He got the key, went back to the museum, and closed the window. And then he saw that the statue of the gold cat was not in the glass case anymore. He checked the alarm, but it was fine. He called the police, and they came to the museum. Mr. Benson told them all about the cat, and he wrote a report.
Okay. Now, at that moment, his wife said, What did his wife say? Look, there is a window open at the museum. And Mr. Benson said, That's strange, I must go and close it. Okay. They went home quickly. They here refers to Mr. Benson and his wife. Okay. What did they do? They went home quickly, and Mr. Benson got the key, went back to the museum and closed the window. Okay, here, what did Mr. Benson do? Yes, he went back to the museum and closed the window. And then he saw that statue of the gold cat was not in the glass case anymore. Okay, was the gold cat in the glass case? No, the gold cat was not in the glass case anymore. He checked the alarm. He refers to Mr. Benson. Okay, he checked the alarm. تفحص منبه الإنذار. But it was fine. Okay. Was the alarm in the glass case? Yes. And it was fine. He called the police. Mr. Benson called the police and they came to the museum. Okay, did the police came to the museum? Yes, they came to the museum. Mr. Benson told them all about the cat. And he wrote a report. كتب تقرير. Okay. Now, let's answer this question. Why did Mr. Benson call the police? Yes, ya Ahmad. Thank you. he called the police because the statue of the gold cat was not in the glass case. Okay, now let's find out past simple. Past simple. Yes, here said it's past simple. Okay, what else? Went, past simple. Got, past simple. Went, past simple. Closed, past simple. So, past simple. Okay, here was past simple. Checked, wrote, came, called, told. All of them are past simple. Yes, who can help me? Subject pronoun. Yes, yes, here we have they. It's a subject pronoun. What else? Yes, he. He, subject pronoun. Thank you. Thank you, Basma. They and he are subject pronouns. Okay, who can help me to find out an adjective? An adjective. Yes. Thank you. That's strange. Strange is an adjective. Yes, what else? Gold. Thank you. An adjective. Fine. It's an adjective. Thank you. Strange, close, gold, and fine. Preposition. Thank you, Ya Adam. To, at, and, in. Okay. Object pronoun. Who can help me? Thank you, Ya Basma. Them. Here, Mr. Benson told them. Them is an object pronoun. Thank you. Now, let's read this paragraph. Okay, listen well.
The next morning, he told Cleo about the missing statue of the gold cat, and also about the cat in the street near the museum. Cleo went with her dad to the museum and checked the glass case again. There was no gold cat. The alarm was still on. Which window was open? Cleo asked. Her dad showed her the window.
Okay. Now, in the next morning, he told Cleo about the missing statue of the gold cat. عن تمثال القط الذهبي المفقود. The missing, المفقود, okay? And also about the cat in the street near the museum. So here, Mr. Benson told his daughter Cleo two things. The first one about the missing statue of the gold cat, and also about the cat in the street near the museum. Cleo went with her dad to the museum and checked the glass case again. Okay, did Cleo check the glass case again? Yes, she checked the glass case again. There was no gold cat. Was there the gold cat? No, there was no gold cat. Okay, but the alarm was still on. The alarm was still on. Okay. Which window was open? Cleo asked. Her dad showed her the window. Now, Let's answer this question. Who went with Mr. Benson to check the glass case again? Who? Yes, Yalina. Thank you. His daughter, Cleo. Thank you. Okay. Let's continue our story.
Let me stay in the museum tonight, Cleo said to her dad. I've got an idea. I read a book about the secrets of Egyptian cats. Her dad wasn't happy about Cleo spending the night in the museum, but he said yes. In the evening, Cleo went to the museum with a torch. Just before midnight, she opened the same window and waited. She couldn't see anything, but she heard a little noise. She waited a minute and then switched on the torch. Yes, the case was empty. An hour after midnight, she heard a noise again. She waited a minute and then she switched on the torch.
Okay. Now here, what did Cleo say to her dad? Let me stay at the museum tonight. I've got an idea. I read a book about the secrets of the Egyptian cat. What did Cleo read? Yes, she read a book about the secrets of the Egyptian cat. Her dad wasn't happy about Cleo spending the night in the museum. Was her dad happy? No, her dad wasn't happy about Cleo spending the night in the museum, but he said yes. In the evening, Cleo went to the museum with a torch. She took with her a torch. Torch means مصباح. Just before midnight, she opened the same window and waited. She opened the same نفس الشباك and waited انتظرت. She couldn't see anything, but she heard a little noise. What did she hear? Yes, she heard a little noise. She waited a minute and then switched on the torch. أشعلت المصباح. Yes, the case was empty. Was the gold cat in the glass case? No, the case was empty. فارغ. An hour after midnight, she heard a noise again. سمعت ضوضاء مرة أخرى. She waited a minute and then she switched on the torch. What happened after that? Okay, we will know after we will answer these questions. Okay, why did Cleo want to stay at the museum at night? Why? Who can answer? Yes, Yalina. Thank you. She wanted to make sure about what she read about the secrets of the Egyptian cats. Thank you. Okay, what did Cleo take when she went to the museum in the evening? What? Yes, she went with a torch. Thank you. Let's continue the story. Please listen well.
The gold cat was in the glass case. Cleo closed the window and went to the glass case. I hope you had some fun outside, he said to the gold cat.
Okay, the gold cat. Here is the surprise. The gold cat was in the glass case. Cleo closed the window and went to the glass case. Okay, what did Cleo do? She closed the window and went to the glass case. I hope you had some fun outside, she said to the gold cat. What did Cleo say to the gold cat? I hope you had some fun outside. أتمنى أن تكون استمتعت outside بالخارج. Dad isn't going to forget to close a window again. Who can tell me what was the secret of the Egyptian cats? What was? Yeah. Thank you, Ahmad. Egyptian cats move at night. Okay? And if the window was open, this gold cat moved outside at night. Okay? Okay. Now, let's answer these questions. Who was Mr. Benson? Who? He was the director of a museum. Thank you. What did Mr. Benson and his wife do one night? Thank you. They went to a party. Thank you, Ahmad. Why did Mr. Benson stop the car on their way home? Why? Yes, ya Khaled. Thank you. Because a cat ran across the street. Why did Mr. Benson go back to the museum? Why? Yes, ya Bisma. Thank you. Because there was a window open. Thank you. What did he find? What did he find? Thank you. He found that the gold cat was not in the glass case. What did Cleo do before midnight? Yes, she opened. Now hear the value of our story. What can you learn from the story? Yes, ya Ahmad, tell me. What can you learn from the story? Yes? Thank you. Knowing a lot can help you in your life. Thank you. Knowing a lot can help you in your life. Okay, in our story, how Cleo helped her dad? How? Yes, because Cleo read too much about the secret of the Egyptian cats, she helped her dad. So, in our story, the value is knowing a lot can help you in your life. Okay? Cleo helped her dad. How? Yes, she helped her dad by reading. Okay? She read about the secret of the Egyptian cat. Now here, read and write the words. Case, daughter, torch, torch يعني مصباح. Checked, تفحص. Interesting, locked, piece, قطعة, and key. The first one, Mr. Benson told children interesting stories. The next one, the best, thank you, the best piece in the museum was a statue of a gold cat. The statue was in a glass case. Thank you, Ya Rahma. When Mr. Benson went home, he always locked أغلق the windows and the doors. Thank you. He had an 18-year-old daughter. Thank you. Called Cleo. After the party, Mr. Vincent took the key to the museum and closed the window. Thank you. Number 7. He checked the alarm. Thank you. When Cleo heard the noise, she waited and then she switched on her what? Torch. Thank you. Thank you all. Have a nice day.